Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can elevate your culinary skills to professional levels right in your home. We discovered the MegaChef Immersion Circulation Precision Sous-Vide Cooker, and you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the MegaChef Sous-Vide Cooker? This precision immersion circulator is designed to help you cook food to perfection using the sous vide technique. Sous vide, which means under vacuum in French, involves sealing food in a vacuum-sealed bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. The MegaChef takes this professional technique and makes it accessible for home cooks. One of the standout features of this sous vide cooker is its simple control panel. With a backlit digital touchscreen, you can easily set the desired cooking temperature and time with just a few taps. This means you can truly set it and forget it. Once you've configured your settings, you can sit back and relax while your meal cooks evenly and thoroughly. Complete temperature control is another standout feature. The MegaChef allows you to set the exact temperature needed for your food, ensuring perfect doneness every time, whether it's a medium-rare steak or tender vegetables. This precision is unmatched by traditional cooking methods, where the risk of overcooking is much higher. Not only is this sous vide cooker ideal for meats, but it also excels with vegetables, seafood, and even desserts. Imagine perfectly cooked asparagus that is tender yet crisp, or a chocolate lava cake that is gooey in the center while maintaining a delicate outer shell, all thanks to the precision of sous vide cooking. One of the key benefits of using a sous vide cooker, especially with vacuum-sealed bags, is the unparalleled flavor and moisture retention. The vacuum sealing process locks in juices and essential flavors, resulting in meals that are bursting with taste and tenderness. This means every bite you take is a burst of flavor, and your dishes will be restaurant quality. This product is perfect for both seasoned chefs looking to enhance their cooking techniques and beginners wanting to explore new culinary skills. It's especially suitable for busy individuals or families who want to prepare healthy, delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Simply set it up and let the MegaChef do the work for you. In practical use, you can prepare a wide array of meals, from a succulent steak cooked to your liking to a perfectly poached egg for breakfast. You can even use it to make desserts, like crème brûlée, that require precise temperature control to achieve that perfect texture. In conclusion, the MegaChef Immersion Circulation Precision Sous Vide Cooker is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking or wants to improve their kitchen skills. With its ease of use, complete temperature control, and ability to retain flavor and moisture, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.